Bula. Hey, sorry.
And I'll just spell your name to you. Josaia, Voreqe, Voreqe. And your surname, Bainimarama.
Street. It's in Su, right? This is in Su.
Yeah, the city.
Okay, the village Cuba.
That's right.
Can I have a phone, please? This is radical, sir.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, great.
We hope to register 600,000 Fijians within 8 weeks up to the 3rd week of August. It is a massive logistical exercise. We would like to acknowledge firstly the help and support of the Prime Minister and the Ministry of Finance that has provided the initial seed funding for the hiring and the use of technology by CODLINK. We'd also like to thank the support that's been provided by the Australian and New Zealand logistics experts that came along and worked with the Elections Office, and they're still there. We'd also like to acknowledge the support of the RFMF that provided also additional logistical support, and in fact the logistics team was headed by the member of the RFMF. And of course the over 1,000 people that have been recruited to carry out this exercise. It is very exciting because many of these people are the young. Many of these people have been recruited from all across Fiji, from all across different walks of life, to provide the best system of registration that Fiji has yet to have.
So that has the total data